guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, the name is Oshean, and in this channel I talk about personal finance, some tech that can help you, lifestyle hacks, and whatnots. So in today's video, we are going to talk about tech, and one of the tech stuff that I purchased recently is this. Basically, this is a Logitech MX Master 3. Yes. So while we're unboxing this, just a little story time. Kaya ako nag-decide na bilhin to kasi recently sumasakit yung wrist ko. Right-handed ako, guys. And hopefully hindi naman siya carpal tunnel syndrome, pero feeling ko naman hindi. But yeah, and so far ito na yung pinaka the best na mouse in the market, na ergonomic and at the same time sobrang ganda ng functionalities. So I bought this from Maker Lab Electronics. So shout out to Maker Lab Electronics, and this is not sponsored but sila lang yung store na nakita kong matino na nagbebenta ng Logitech MX Master 3. Yeah, packaging. Hope you can see it. Ta-da! Yeah. Can you see it? If you can see it. So here's the box. Maliit lang pala yung box. Pero may umaalog sa loob. Ano kaya to? Tapos alam nyo ba guys, kaya ko rin pala siya pinili kasi gusto ko rin ng wireless na mouse. So if you've watched my previous video na gusto ko ng wireless na headphones na hindi ko naman nabili, gagawa ako ng video one of these days ng aking work from home setup. Pero nahihiya pa akong ipakita siya kasi nga madaming masyadong wires and ayoko ng maraming wires. Napakahirap naman buksan ni Re. Yeah! Okay, so this is what the box would look like. It has like a big MX finish here. First impression, rough yung dito sa may body part ng mouse. It's rough, and gusto ko yung feel niya para hindi rin dumudulas din yung kamay mo when you're using it. Yung maingay pala kanina, yung kumakalampag, it's the USB dongle, if you can see it. Okay, it also comes with like an easy switch, so pwedeng from one laptop to another. So wow, okay, nice. Since I have two laptops right now, so kung gusto kong mag-switch from one laptop to another, it would also be easy for me as well. And yung feel ng roll niya is very, very nice. It's very smooth, I'd say. Pati yung, meron din siyang side na thumb roll and meron din siyang buttons. And yeah, let's see if it's worth the price. By the way, this was priced at 6,200 something. Basta 6,300. So the box also has this, if you can see, which contains a USB Type-C wire. Alam nyo guys, sobrang gustong-gusto ko yung mga wires na meron na siyang kasamang Velcro para hindi na ako masyadong nahihirapang mag-ayos. At kapag kailangan ko lang siyang itago, hindi ko na kailangan ng extra na Velcro. And para hindi na rin ako bibili ng bagong Velcro just to keep my cables organized. Kasi mahirap ang cable management, especially kapag, you know, you have your own work from home setup. So, in case you guys are wondering if what mouse I'm using right now, so libre lang din siya dun sa Asus ROG laptop na binili ko. But my problem here also is that, again, it's wired. And the second one is that ito, parang nagninis-nis na siya. Ano ba yung English ng nagninis-nis? But anyway. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing. Now, I will try to test this out and see kung kumusta siya. Okay ba siya for me? Pero feeling ko naman dapat okay ka kasi hello, 6,300 pesos ka. So see you later and we'll check it out first. So the Logitech MX Master 3 is the latest of the MX Master series. It features a mag-speed electromagnetic scrolling, which is precise enough to stop in a pixel, and it's also quick enough to scroll 1,000 lines in just 1 second. And on top of that, it's very silent. Added to the electromagnetic scroll, it also has a mode shift button that could convert your scroll to either a ratchet or free spin mode. The touch is definitely ergonomic, but not as ergonomic as a vertical mouse, of course. But it does the job because unlike traditional mice, you touch the mouse in a more slanted way, which means it's more natural. The MX Master 3 also gives you good functionalities that can help you with your productivity. It has a gesture button at the thumb part of the mouse and a very bougie thumb scroll. And another cool thing here is that you can also use it on any surface, even glass. So in terms of mouse charging, it uses USB Type-C, which is very good. And you can use it for 70 days on a full charge and 3 hours of use for just a minute of charge. How cool is that? You can also customize the functions of the mouse itself depending on the app that you are using or what you're going to use. Like for example, on Zoom, you can assign specific buttons to say hang up a call or screen share. And it definitely saves a lot of time and it will definitely increase your productivity if you do the dirty work first of assigning buttons before using the mouse. Alright guys, so I've been using this mouse for quite some time. I think it's been 4 days. And so far, I definitely love it. So based dun sa specs na mga sinabi ko, I'm extremely satisfied. And nagagamit ko halos lahat ng functions niya, even the gesture one. And also, I feel that my hand is now more relaxed ever since I switched to this. Hindi na siya katulad dati na nakaganyan siya. So, this is more slanted as what I've said. And what I also love about this mouse is that I have this button wherein I can assign either 1, 2, or 3 to 3 devices. So, yung isa, pwedeng dito sa first laptop ko. And then the second one, pwedeng dun sa pangalawang laptop ko. And if I'm not mistaken, you can also use it on a PS4 or PS3, but I haven't really tried it because I don't have those consoles. In terms of charging, I tried charging it kasi when I got the package, it was already on low battery and then I charged it. And okay naman, mabilis lang, tapos until now, puno pa rin halos yung battery niya and I've been using it for almost 4 days. I'm very satisfied with this. It's very luxurious, it's ergonomic, and siguro yung favorite part ko nga dito sa mouse na to is yung electromagnetic scroll niya. So if you can see here, if I scroll it, pwedeng hindi tumigil yung scroll as much as I want to. Titigil lang siya kapag hinawakan mo. And that's what I love about this mouse. Okay, so for my recommendation, will I recommend this for a work from home setup or a school setup? Definitely yes. But the thing here lang with this mouse is that it's very expensive for a mouse. So I bought this at 6,300 pesos, but I think in terms of dollars, it's more than $100. Yeah, so it's quite a budget. It just so happened that I had the opportunity to use the money and buy this one. But if given the choice, if not for this one, I would settle for a vertical mouse. It does the job of making my wrist more comfortable and it feels more natural if I use it for my everyday use. Oh, and another useful function of this mouse too is itong back and forward na buttons. So nagagamit ko na rin siya kapag kailangan ko lang mag-switch from my previous homepage or to my previous page dun sa aking web browser. It's very easy for me now to use the back and forth. Meron din naman siya dun sa luma kong mouse, but hindi ko siya masyadong nagagamit nun because yun lang yung parang function niya talaga on the side. Pero nung nadagdagan kasi nung side scroll at saka nung thumb gesture, I feel like I can use now the back and forth buttons more now than before. In terms of gaming, I'm using this mouse right now to play some games and I love it. So right now I'm playing Octopath Traveler and so far nagagamit ko yung mga additional buttons that the mouse came in with for playing my game. Okay, for my score in this mouse is definitely a 10 out of 10. Aside from all the basic functionalities, meron din siya ng mga luxurious functionalities. And then at the same time, it's also ergonomic and it's more natural for my hand whenever I'm using it. Yun nga lang, price. Bawasan ko kaya yung 10. Gawin kong 9. Mahal lang talaga siya. It's 6,000 pesos. So dun sa 6K na yun, marami ka nang pwedeng mabili. You can even buy like 5 or 6 mouse. Alright, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please do not forget to smash the like button and also subscribe to my channel and click the bell button beside it so that you will be notified whenever I have a new video. Okay? So remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. See you again soon. Peace out.